Hey guys, welcome to Next Trade channel. In this video we're gonna be seeing about September month and what it has to offer for us and what will be the move that we can expect and what was the history that was happening in the past and what we can infer from the past and stuff like that. Okay, and this will be an interesting video and it's like a month-long valid statement, so please watch it fully and carefully, right? So first thing first, we will trace back towards the past and see what has actually happened in the past. Okay, and yeah, I kept in 4 hours, that's why. Okay, yeah, I will remove those lines as well. So this is what 2017 September was. Okay, this is what the place the month started, and then it is ended like around this place. And it is important to note that after this only the bull run has started. All right, and even before that we did saw a good sell off before this, a big run. Okay, so maybe a small fall. I don't say small fall because for 4,800 to 3,000 it's like an 1,000 points for an $4,000 stuff is like an 1/4 of the value, right? So that is a significant fall, and that's where the bottom for the next bull run was. So that is something you have to note it down, right? And if we are yet to be in in a bull run phase, even if we see a significant fall or dump towards like 42k as per the past, that will be fine. That's what it is trying to say. Okay, and let's see what 2018 was like. This was after the bull run, right? And let's see what did happen. Okay, so it started in here and then ended in like here, right? Sorry, ended in this level. So the range was pretty small, but right after the day one it was a huge fall. Okay, unlike the last time where this was like an dilemma over, or there is some buying pressure in the market as well. All right, and then let's move on to 2019, and as you can see 2017 also had like wow, a huge fall, right? Yep, a huge fall has happened in 2019 as well. Okay, and that time 13k, that is like another local top was formed, and then yeah, that was a significant fall. And I believe like we are in the same position. I mean, it's like a copy, I don't know, right? Check it over here. I mean, ignore this part and see, like, 1 2, and then we are in the mid of the another cycle, right? Or whatever, maybe that is like an good place to sell off or whatever, right? I mean, we are in this position. I mean, this is where that bottom was and we are in this position. That's how it seems like. Okay, so that one is that. And then 2020, regarding that, we did fall hugely. That is after another cycle. Okay, I don't say cycle essentially, but it is an once again start of the next bull run. Okay, so that is also, there is an smaller bandwidth of fall has happened, exactly what happened in 2017. So I would say, like, before any bull run, the September month's dump is minimal when compared to others. Okay, I mean, I don't see or say like the percentage wise or something like that. I would say, like, compared to the volatility or the movement of the Bitcoin, it is like less significant when compared to ordinary months. So if you guys are thinking about closing or the bull run has got over or something like that, you can just make sure or see how the September month is acting. If it is like maybe a smaller one, maybe till this it is okay, like 40k above is like an okay kind of situation, because it will be like a smaller bandwidth range when it is compared to these ones. So if that was the case, we are in a good shape. And yes, we are already seeing a breakdown, okay, and yeah, let's briefly talk about that as well and what I think will be the thing. Okay, so yes, first of all, the breakdown has happened like few days back, but the volume is not there. Okay, and that's why I didn't even make a video about that one. But yes, the volume is not there till now, and yes, that seems to be a good thing now, because if it is falling, it's like waiting for the September month. That's what I would say. What the next month has to offer, that's what people are trying to wait. And we are gradually seeing an increase in volume as well, even though the dump exists. Okay, so it's like people are trying to sell off before the September month, and few are betting against that one. Okay, so this is a mixed up situation, and huge amount of people will be blocked in this price range, that is like around 50k to 47 or 46k. So this will be a significant move if we broke this level, and nothing yet to be seen. If this is broken, I mean like 4400 is broken down, then we may see a good fall. Maybe this level is even reachable. I mean, it's like capturing 9k points in Bitcoin from, what to say, 47 range. Okay, 47k range. So that will be a good trade. As I mean, it's a very good trade. Okay, so try to capture the one if it is falling below 46,310. But yeah, the possibility of opening is less significant. And yeah, I believe in September month impact, and people are talking or buzzing around it, I would say. So yes, let's see what it has to offer. And tomorrow, that is September 1, will be a huge day towards what is going to be happening for the rest of the month. If it is a huge red candle, then it is like a proof, I would say. So yes guys, that's about this video. And do short Bitcoin if it is falling below 46,300, and do regularly book profit. Don't like FOMO in for reaching 100k. If it is happening, I would be the happiest person as well. But you know, we have to go with the flow and what is actually happening in the market, rather than climbing like and huge stuff and then waiting for that. I mean, just think this way. Now we are in 47k, and let's say it reaches 100k. On the time the market cap will be like huge, right? But what you will be getting, maybe if you put $1,000, it will be like $2,000. I mean, that's a good trade, but it's just 2x, right? And any altcoins are simply doing that in a matter of time, just for this FOMO. And what I'm advising is, there are good coins with low market cap which you have to trade in, not like, you know, for 2x you shouldn't take risk. That's the end goal. Okay, and this is not the time to bet. Okay, so go with the flow and hodl the good coins. I mean, if you hold for Bitcoin like for next 10 years, you'll be the richest guy, right? I mean, not the richest guy, but still a rich guy. So yes, order like that, not for an short-term profit like 100k or something like that from here. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. Hope you like this one, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Please be subscribed and share with your friends. Thank you guys.